TV. TV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
Possible. Lucky we dey fine like this today now. Now Obaseki na do am. When Obaseki never come in, this road na no go area. Many of us like me, I dey stay for Upper Mission Extension. If I wan go my house, I'll get to pass through Aduawa. So wetin supposed to take me like 10 minutes will take me 30 minutes. See Western Boys now, if you go there, e be like stadium. Mini stadium be that. Now I will call Western Boys now. It's a very fine place. I know even people wey be say they go private school. If you tell them say they carry their children go Western Boys, and they no go follow you argue. The place is conducive, okay for students.
See technical school where they show for tele, like say me I go start school again. If you see the school where they open and they show everything, so many things where that man do. See many investments wey put for supply roads. Personally, I know they die for junction again. They don't carry car drop go they suffer again. If they dey now they receive a lot. So okay, see coronavirus. Teachers
On the 27th,
they don't receive. Even as coronavirus, they go work. All of them they receive their salary. They receive their salary too far. Before they reach that 27, they don't see their alert. I bet me let the man finish his work. Personally, many of them wey die to waste salary, they don't collect it today. But so Obaseki enter. Now alert, now they see.
May they all leave van. Ojoro not there for this. Ojoro no go fit work. May they all leave the man. May Oshiomhonle just leave us. Edo State is not meant for only ouchies. If they carry go one side too much now, you don't they take this thing too personal. Edo State is not meant for him. If you want make women come outside naked for her, they will naked for her. It's too much. Now may leave us alone.
When Oshiomhonle brought Obaseki, he said he's the best for Edo State. He can't hand over to a thief. Today, Oshiomhonle is also telling us that Obaseki is not good. That they brought the Iyamu, that he said he's a cultist, he's a thief. They're only just coming to loot the treasury. And if they cannot get the resources of the state, they will try to create confusion.
Now be say if Iyamu enter and see Agbero, now we see vote for. Because if they go now in the park, Agbero follow body. Meaning if we see vote Iyamu in, now see the same Agbero, now we go see. So meaning if we vote Iyamu now see Agbero government. Now we see the voting. So in the whole meeting, I say in the campaign on his own now, he call himself pastor. No me say me even campaign with a Christian or church people. Make they still dey back say at least this one a real Christian. He still go the campaign with Agbero. No sense say na say Agbero government na CB. Obaseki no be Agbero government. So mo follow Obaseki. 4+4 to wagba. Egba na Jesus name.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
Ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ òbíra mẹ́, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ òbí ṣe mẹ́, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ ọ̀hà kan bá sí nẹ̀kan yé gbé, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ ọ̀hà kan bá sí níbí yé gbé, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ òbíra mẹ́, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ òbí ṣe mẹ́, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ ọ̀hà kan bá sí nẹ̀kan yé gbé, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ ọ̀hà kan bá sí níbí yé gbé, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀ òbíra mẹ́, ọ̀nà ìlélẹ̀. Àìsàn náà ọ̀rìà tó bọ́ zẹ́. Àìsàn náà ọ̀rìà tó bọ́ zẹ́. Obaseki nizele oleya rekhan. Àìsàn náà ọ̀rìà tó bọ́ zẹ́. Àìsàn náà ọ̀rìà tó bọ́ zẹ́. Àìsàn náà ọ̀rìà tó bọ́ zẹ́. Obaseki nizele oleya rekhan. Àìsàn náà ọ̀rìà tó bọ́ zẹ́. Rabili Bokamai. Ono kwen no ribotona. Okon so senobla no. Ano senobla atobole mudiabo kwen. Aisa po modere. Obaseki no sema. Ni ma gbege hiya mareka. Beki oni gob on Edo State na. Ejo Obaseki rio poe. Ole Mario we. Mama gebe ni makara mude Obaseki. Bon Edo State na odo denoli. The no Obaseki reve as governor of Edo State. Egbeda afọ Bokare, egbeda afọ Gwanere, egbeda afọ Dedere, egbeda afọ Diomare. Oda dene gerebe. Menoni va tananya. Architect Eraswa Nicholas Atieme. Obi ekpo mamekun. Rasa do your Obaseki. Ahaya fipo enabo onuge ekpo mano semana. Oda done gerebe gyan. Benore ahun na boto Edo, iro yare ahun na boto Esan, iro yare ahun na boto Afema. Sa do your Obaseki ono to ekpo mana. Ahaya ndabo. Wasebu Jone Road. Usebi humudumu road. Ayi meya honi marunu na beje kare jejo ebore hwena ye. Oda donon ukpa efwa. Ole Obaseki mumo. Ole madawe ejo Obaseki riwo we eni Mario we. Ono kwena. Ose no bla nyan ramude efwa. Omo si de kwojo bifia. Os efwa omo si de kwojo bifia. I sabonu so no black gbegbe. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? I say nobody. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? Who can battle with the Lord? I say nobody. I say Oria to boze. I say Oria to boze. Obaseki nizele ole yarekam. I say Oria to boze. Babili Wokamai.
As a president of this great house, I say for today go, we are returning Obaseki. Yeah. Whether they like it or not. With the driver say Obaseki is coming.
Executive members of Edo State Drivers' Welfare and representatives from the various parks in Edo State pledging their support to Governor Godwin Obaseki and his deputy, Comrade Philip Shaibu, who they describe as drivers' most friendly governor. Commenting on the reasons for their decision, President Edo State Drivers' Welfare, Lucky Adenya, said the best thing that has ever happened to the state is the cleanup and reorganization of the transport system by the state governor that eliminated touts from collecting illegal levies from drivers, amongst many other benefits.
It's not the way it is before, where those Agbero will just come and they will collect 3,000 naira, 4,000 naira from us. But today now we don't pay more than what the governor said we should pay. Nobody can force the driver against the government's wish. So we are all the drivers. That is where I sit. Look at the crowd. We only invite two executives from each garage. That is the crowd we are seeing here today. And if we call up 50 people from each garage, they are ready to honor because of the governor. Because the governor made the driver to smile. He made the driver to know that, yes, we really have a person who can represent us. That is the way the Godwin Obaseki is doing today. So we'll continue to support him and we'll continue to appreciate him. And all we want that we don't need those same people that are be oppressive drivers.
Edo State Vice President of the body, Comrade Igbonsa, and some drivers said they cannot thank the governor enough, but can express their gratitude by ensuring that all the drivers in the state vote for him in the state governorship election.
Of the day to let the drivers know how this governor don't help us in one way or the other. One, by removing Agbero from the street. Two, for making us to know the amount we will pay to the state government treasury. And three, it can't make us know, say, make drivers they obey rules and regulation. So there are a lot of things where this driver don't do. So even the time when this governor they come, You see, it's okay, make everybody sit down first. Make you really arrange this thing well.
We are here to tell government say we dey back, we get back, we dey government back. Through our chairman, the president, the supporter of the government back.
Mr. Adeyan also used the opportunity to appreciate Deputy Governor Comrade Philip Shaibu and the SSG Barrister Osarodion Oge for their individual support for Governor Obaseki. The drivers also promised to ensure that every member of their families and friends vote for the PDP on the 19th of September 2020. Igboji Warrior reporting.
Hello, the governor of Edo State. I'm Chief Dr. Daniel Agbetu, the Sonoro of Ruikido, the Ekmebio Yegu of Uku. I'm a great native doctor. I'm from Rui, Ward 8. I want to tell you that the wrestler have been taking place in the night, that you have defeated Pastor Sageze Iyamu. Yes, you are the giant snake. I saw it, that you have swallowed Pastor Sageze Iyamu. Yeah, congratulations. As far the Obanika Ohiafere no roto Edo Ohiafere gbase you were in and unwoko no roto Edo Ohiafere gbase you were in Ekonorwe iya gbase you were in Oto eke no runwo de gbase you were in Ushopi kan eheranga ge gbase you were in do se gbe origian onya so edie bodie wase igbe imu no roto Edo Ohiafere gbase you were in when it got in Obaseki working here with governor Bazeno Dena. And when he's again, come away, congratulations. Osawese Begwe were defeat of Pastor Sageze Yamune. Obo making Eminosunu was on Metamu Wena. Yes. Our panica here fella, the roto Edo Yaneka Ekewogisoke ya. Those say Begwa no gidigan, no pogeva. Yagbasa you were near the obo you were yekine. Onwe kuki ya mudianwe nwoko mudianwe oyi wogwali ma ogwalu wewe wokaru will be the next governor and you have already been the next governor. Let them be campaign, they are campaign for nothing. When mami mean we see ye Pastor Sageze Iyamu egbe o runda we Adam Oshiomhonle all you pay for one o pay for no worry run ni October mo kakabo Wale 700 million, not yet 700 million, or governor. Only that the high workers will say, Wagwano Yatota Yuwa, who defeat any. I may say Yafa Mudianwe, I may Uchi Yafa Mudianwe. Those agree, Abi Imoboke Mo when Oroto do Yafe, Ebubu Noroto and Ave Mudianwe, when they got in Obio Baseki. Yari, Emma Wukia you for the next 4 years. Yara work my Yara winning as a great governor in Edo State. You are not a talkative like Oshiomhonle. That is.
See, the matter Nigerian people say me at the verse, at the paro governor Obaseki, at the paro for you. You cannot do me anything about your verse. You as a governor, no use of veto power. See, all those agberulis, all those touts. They disturb your tenor. You don't use of veto power to position those people from one side. You just look there. Basically, in fact, people with them will treat that matter. That one, they one side. I want to know one thing. I don't fear to do the focus. I must tell the truth. And the truth shall set me free. And this is a fundamental human right, freedom of speech. I must talk my mind. If I might speak pidgin English. Now you're filming. Because I believe, say, man, when I do uptown, when I never visit my country, and my state, Edo State, and they say, wow, Obaseki go do this one. Why go betray Oshiomhonle? Why go do this one? I go Nigeria, my eyes see things. I'm at work. Even the what they call it, when I'm a crank boss, He blocked me because any live video they do, I don't know they comment rubbish. He blocked me. That time I never move. And now I say, what did that guy they talk? They say now where person for the work and there for the shop. But that guy is very sincere. See, Moku talk the facts. Moku just using the facts. Obaseki walk. As far as I'm concerned, being a bona fide citizen of Edo State of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Obaseki is the best governor when Edo State don't get. She's the get independence. I'm telling you, he's the best. You the shout bye to your governor. See, when I was in Europe, when I will suffer. If mistakenly says Iyamu enter, when I'm mama, he will call Nataya. That region will be said that they turn Gary and rice together and anyone happen so. Those people that are fighting for Iyamu, because they want to go Akugbe venture, they want me Akugbe venture resume again. And may all those bus driver, whatever driver welfare resume again. They are fighting for their own interests. They will not dare they kill themselves. See, my turn I want you will want to go fight. You will want to go kill. Don't leave your head for us. You carry your head for nobody. If really you love your state, you not go say you want to go fight. You will talk truth. You will support the place where we say you know say our sincerity today. Not because you want chop, you want to do your own business, you want to get your own benefits. You want to do it not clear. No. All those kind of money, not the person they prosper. But this is here. Me, I was a fan of Adam Sali Oshiomhonle. I was a fan of Pastor, not Pastor Kola, Iyamu. But as I go Nigeria, I come back. I may change. You know why? Not be waiting that they talk for social media. Not me, be everything that's can. If you want to know what they tell you with the diaspora, try buy ticket, go your states. Go see what Obaseki don't do for those states. Me will be say that yeah, they park anywhere for Ring Road. They don't get special parking space. Market women don't position themselves. Water seller, all those people they hawk water when they hawk all those like I said, they don't do one side. You know go here say one gboro your coin you use, you're the slap woman when you get pikin say or when you get belle say, madam, give me your money, ticket, 100 naira. Even though do Matlan say, Mama, madam, bros, I never says this morning and they'll sick Musa. But all those things no they happen. Basically don't stop all those things. Those are the number one things we say, man. I don't always pray say make it happen for the states. That's why I did the states. Because they see when they molest market woman, even when they get belly, carry picking. Even so when over girls man when they use water to train their children. They molest them. You understand? So I used to go beg when I beg. You will did diaspora, now not get PVC. Now the shots. Bye to your governor. PVC now not get. Can you go home and vote? No. You understand? You cannot go home and vote. People who don't go Nigeria corner now I know why they support Obaseki. People like Ojebo, social media president, so many people. Those one don't go Nigeria, they don't come, they don't see things. The same way they say go, and say I see they go, I see things. And now I know why those people they support Obaseki. Because nobody will not like better thing. Nobody for this life will not like better thing. If you like your family, you like your mama saying a trader, you go vote for Obaseki. But if you say you don't like your mama, you don't like your papa when they trade or your family they trade, vote for Iyamu. So that the opportunity to tell your family say, who am I voting Obaseki? This is time to condition them. Obaseki is trying. Obaseki is trying. I must tell you the fact. Hey, see, I don't need the one error. I mean, then I mean a balance. I don't need the one error. They'll say maybe this one don't collect money. One error I never collect. I do okay. I don't even need the money. But it's good anyway. We be say you see the truth, maybe the yarn. Because the more you yarn the truth, the more God will open way for you. No more say you see truth, you the one they follow where like day.
Obaseki for governor. He said Iyamu for Ketma.
DJ ATV.